closer days, I'm getting closer to unlock my consciousness. The poison's only building up my tolerance. We were never born to be the obvious, isn't it obvious? Time is slipping, dials spinning. I still wonder if I'm dreaming, or maybe I'm the only one who's wide awake. Am I the only one? So it's no surprise I can't sleep. It's just the push that I need. I've gone past the point I'm all in. I know that you're thinking that you're